Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a butternut squash mac and cheese. This mac and cheese is perfection. I mean, I love it. It's easy to make. Now, I puree the butternut squash because my son will not eat it if it is in there whole. I used to make it whole. I learned my lesson. Either way, it's delicious. If you don't want to take that step to puree it, just leave them whole and eat it that way. It's not going to change the flavor. Are you coming? It's not going to change the flavor. But either way you do it, it's going to be good. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everyone. Yeah, say I eat my mama's mac and cheese. Yeah, you eat mac and cheese and pizza. Yeah.
Yeah, pizza.
Okay, say enjoy.
Pizza.
Say happy Thanksgiving.
Pizza.
Yeah. Okay,
Cake.
say and cake. Yep. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Good job. I love you.
Yeah, bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed.